point. Anyways, what's up guys? It's Dylan. Welcome back to the vlog. Today, I don't really know what we're doing today. Like every day, I always say, I don't know what we're doing today, and then we always end up doing something. What do we got cooking up today, Chef?
Chef D.
Chef D.
We got that.
Is it boneless?
It is boneless.
It's a boneless pizza?
It's from Sethical himself. It is boneless.
It's a boneless pizza. Alright guys, so we're doing the new challenge. This new trend on YouTube, it's called run outside during a lightning storm and hold a metal pole in the air and try not to get struck.
I'm waiting to die.
I
want to kill myself. I just don't want to die. Wow, this is really ghetto. You have zip ties.
What the fuck is this shit, Ab? What is this?
What, did you steal this from Miami?
Oh yeah, of course.
Yo Garth, the floor's lava. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Back gang. This is the slowest shit I've ever seen in my life. Oh no, it's way too, it's too far left. Oh. Bank gang. You're only going for the zebras.
I'm definitely too far left again.
Go.
Nope. Too low.
If you win a Yeezy, will you resell it and give me half?
If I win a Yeezy, I'm gonna burn it. Take my word. I'm gonna burn it if I win a Yeezy. I'm gonna buy fake ones and burn it for the YouTube views. My wallet.
Why do you have your hand on your wallet?
Because it was like sideways. Alright,
Sideways.
It was sideways. Thinking.
Amen.
I swear to Yeezy, if this pizza isn't boneless. Oh.
This is my first try.
I swear to Yeezy.
I swear to Beezy.
Too low. You blow.
Say we need a consent form for them. Wow, she flinches less than you.
Mmm, big filet.
Big fillet.
Big filet, mmm.
Engine by himself, and so like you have to get the car running for a little bit. Fine.
It said the speed limit is 40.
Relax.
It's reduce your speed.
Reduce your speed!
Are you gonna brake anytime soon? Jesus. Light's red.
Uh oh, it's a cop. Race. Race. Race.
There's teardrops everywhere! You think me rude, but I would just stand and stare!
I'd like to make yourself believe
That
planet Earth is
holy!
Mmm, my favorite store. Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa. You got this. Oh shit, alright, round two. Wait, get in this one, Oh, oh.